Hey guys, welcome back to Keep-A-Doo. Today I'm going to be teaching you beginner's F2L. For today's shoutouts, we have one shoutout, which is to Lucky Games. Alright, let's get into it. When you're normally solving the cube, you would first solve the first layer, then the second layer, not together. But when you're doing F2L, you solve the white cross, then the corners and edge pieces together. After solving the cross, look for any corner pieces and their matching edge piece on the top layer. So I have a corner piece here. It's white, red, and blue, but its edge piece isn't here. And I have an edge piece here, blue and orange, and its corner piece isn't here. And I have this piece. Nope. So, what do you do when you don't have a matching piece? Well, then you have to choose a piece from the top layer. I'll choose this piece, and then find its edge on the cube. So, it's over here, and its edge piece is over here. And it's already solved. When it's already solved, you don't have to learn this. This is kind of a little complicated, not that complicated. You don't have to learn it. It'll just save you some time. So, first you need to make sure that you put the corner piece on top of the edge piece. Then, when it's facing you, move it away from the edge piece so that it's still facing you and the edge piece is on the left or it's on the right. So, it wouldn't work if it's like this because the edge piece is on the left, but it's not facing me. The corner piece is on the left, but it's not facing me. And if it's like this, this works. And when you're done with that, you need to see what side the edge piece is on. So for me, the edge piece is on the left side. So we need to take the edge piece out with L prime, U prime, L, and then do a U2 and insert this corner in using the normal method. And then that will also solve this edge piece. And then this pair is done. Now we have to choose another piece. So I'll choose this piece, and its edge piece is over here. And so it's over here. It's not solved, but we can do something. We move it on top, and unlike the other one, this one doesn't match. These colors don't match. So you need to move this over here instead, or you can move it anywhere and just take out this edge piece. And now you have these two in the top layer. So where is the white part of the corner piece? That's what you need to see first. The white part is not facing, it's not on the top, it's on this side of the top layer. So if it's like that, then you need to see if the top colors are matching. So this color is blue and this color is red, so they're not matching. So that's good for us because then we can solve it easily. So now you need to hold this piece above the red side or the blue side. I'm going to do the blue side, and then move it up so that between red and blue, it's only messing up that side, so that you don't mess up. If there's a soft pair here, you don't mess that up. So we're moving it up so that we can move this like this, and then when this piece comes back, then we can take this piece here, move it here, and insert it. And now for our next pair, which is, I'll use this piece. So this is white, blue, and orange. It's already in its place, but it's not solved. And then its edge piece is on the top layer at the back. So I'm going to move that to the front. Now, since the white is not facing me, then we need to see if this color, and it might be this color for you, but for me it's this color, is matching with the top of this edge piece. And it is. So if the edge piece was back here, we need to bring it to the front, move this piece up, and you see this pair is matched. So then we move it out of the way so that we can solve this again. And then to insert a pair, we can put it here, but no, that won't work. We can't put it there. We'll have to put it away so that whatever piece comes here is on top of the place where this pair needs to go. And then you open that place up, and then move this piece here, and then bring it down, and that pair is solved. And now we have one last pair, which is this one. And this pair is different than the other ones because these two pieces are attached. So first, you have to find some way to detach them. So for me, I'm just gonna move this up and then do a U2 and bring it down. And now these two pieces are detached. And this step is kind of intuitive, and that's why this F2L is called intuitive F2L, like the cross, because you can't really plan anything or have any algorithms. Though there are some algorithms. So you need to find this piece, and like one of the other pairs, are the tops matching? And the answer is no. So that makes it easier for us. So we need to bring this over. I'm going to put it on the green side, then move it up so that this part comes up, and then see if it's like this. That works. So then we move this over, bring this part up, move it in, and bring it down. And now you have the full first and second layer of the cube solved. I hope this tutorial helped you, and if it did, smash that like button, and if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, and comment down below on what you think. Stay tuned for more content like this, and I'll see you next time. Bye!
La